With 3 centrally located, state-of-the-art facilities, Brandt OEM Services is able to control all phases of production in-house. As a result, our customers have access to an unmatched set of OEM capabilities and services right here in Canada. With laser, plasma, and water jet cutting under one roof, we're uniquely equipped to deliver the competitive edge you need without compromise. And our impressive lineup of press brakes gives us the capability to form simple and complex components with ease. By incorporating the latest 3D profiling technology, we can make any cut with absolute precision. For greater efficiency, our robotic plasma cutting system is designed for continuous production runs. This ensures uniform results across large batches of components, helping us cut more metal, more accurately, in less time. The machine shop is outfitted to handle both heavy and light machine work. Our cranes deliver lifting capabilities up to 60 tons with a 30-foot underhook. Other machine shop capabilities include vertical machining up to 19 feet in diameter and horizontal boring up to 46 feet high and 16 feet long, allowing us to take on projects of almost any scale. Our stress-relieving furnace heats and gradually cools welded, machined, or heated components to eliminate internal stresses and maximize durability for a longer-lasting, better-looking end product. To extend the life of components even further, Brandt's protective paint system provides a premium powder coat finish that stands up whatever you can dish out. Finally, for projects with the potential for additional orders, we cut surplus components and store them in-house. We absorb the risk, and you benefit from shorter turnaround times. We also offer custom kitting and packaging solutions to help simplify assembly on your end. Working with Brandt not only allows you to streamline your process, our centralized approach also means shorter lead times, more accurate scheduling, and unmatched quality control. The result? A better product, produced more efficiently. And all it takes is one phone call.